पार्वती वासुदेवाय वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरु श्रीयुता पदकमलम्।
A living entity's name is Sarvaga. Sarvaga means one who can go anywhere he likes. That's Narad Muni. Narad Muni can travel anywhere he likes, either in the spiritual world or in the material world. So you can also do that. There is possibility. There was a Dubbasa Muni, great yogi. Within 1 year, he traveled all over the universe and went to Vishnu Loka and again came back. That is recorded in the history. So, these are the perfections of life. And how these perfections can be attained? By understanding Krishna. Jasmin vigyate sarvamedam vigyatam bhavanti. The Upanishad says, if you simply understand Krishna, then all these things can be understood very easily. Krishna consciousness is such a nice thing. So, today, this evening, we are talking about Radha-Ashtami. We are trying to understand the chief potency of Krishna. Radharani is the pleasure potency of Krishna. As we understand from Vedic literature, Krishna has many varieties of potencies. Parasha Shakti Vividhaiva Sriyate. Just like the same example, as a big man has got many assistants and secretaries, so that he hasn't got to do anything personally. Simply by his will, everything is done. Similarly, the Supreme Personality of Godhead has got varieties of energies and everything is being done so nicely. Just like this material energy. This material world where we are now living, this is called material energy. Bahiranga Shakti. The Sanskrit name is Bahiranga, external energy of Krishna. So how nicely it is being done, everything in the material energy. That is also explained in the Bhagavad Gita. Maya dhakshena prakriti shyate sacharacharam. Under my superintendence, the material energy is working. The material energy is not blind. It is on the background, there is Krishna. Maya dhakshena prakriti. Prakriti means this material energy. Similarly, this is external energy. Similarly, there is another energy which is internal energy. By the internal energy, the spiritual world is being manifested. Parastasmatu bhava anya, another energy. Para, superior, transcendental, spiritual world. As this material world is being manipulated under the external energy, similarly, the spiritual world is also conducted by the internal potency. That internal potency is Radharani. Radharani, today is Radharani's appearance day. So we should try to understand Radharani's feature. Radharani is the pleasure potency, Alladini Shakti. Anandamaya Bhyasat in the Vedanta Sutra, the absolute truth is described as Anandamaya, always in pleasure potency. That Anandamaya, pleasure potency, just like Ananda, when you want Ananda, pleasure, you cannot have it alone. Alone you cannot enjoy. When you are in the circles of friends or family or other associates, you feel pleasure. Just like I am speaking. The speaking is very pleasing when there are many persons here. I cannot speak alone here. That is not Ananda. I can speak here at night, dead of night, nobody here. That is not Ananda. Ananda means there must be others.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna